If you have ever tried eyeballing an angle and thought, yeah, that looks about right, you already know how risky that can be. You are watching Triplezon, and today I have the Aneng RN01 Magnetic Digital Angle Gauge. This little tool promises serious precision in a compact body. Let us see how useful it really is in real-world projects. The Anon RN01 is one of those tools that looks simple at first glance, but once you start using it, you realize how much time it can save. The first thing you notice is the high-definition LCD backlit display. In bright conditions, it is clear and sharp, but where it really helps is in dim workshops or under cabinets where lighting is not perfect. You can glance at it and instantly read the numbers without squinting or repositioning yourself just to see the screen. When it comes to accuracy, this gauge is seriously impressive for its size. It offers a resolution of 0.5 degrees and a minimal error range of plus or minus 0.3 degrees. In practical terms, that level of precision is more than enough for most carpentry, construction, and even metal fabrication tasks. Whether you are setting the angle on a miter saw, aligning a table saw blade, or checking the pitch of a roof frame, you get consistent and reliable measurements. It takes the guesswork out of fine adjustments. One of my favorite features is the multi-directional measurement capability. The RN01 handles 4 times 90-degree orientations, and it automatically flicks the screen depending on how you position it. So if you place it upside down or on a vertical surface, the display rotates to stay readable. That might sound like a small thing, but when you are working in tight spaces or awkward angles, it makes the process much smoother. The 4-sided strong magnets are another big plus. You can stick the gauge directly onto metal surfaces like steel beams, saw blades, or metal frames. Once attached, it stays firmly in place, freeing up your hands to make adjustments. That stability speeds up the workflow because you are not constantly holding the device and trying to read it at the same time. Switching between measurement units is also quick and intuitive. With the simple press of the degree and percent key, you can toggle between angle degrees and slope ratios. This is especially useful if you are working on projects where slope percentage is more relevant than raw angle measurements, like ramps or drainage systems. Overall, the RN01 combines clear visibility, strong magnetic support, automatic display adjustment, and precise measurement into a compact tool that feels reliable in both professional and home workshop environments. The standout advantage is the precision. A resolution of 0.5 degrees with a small error margin makes it dependable for detailed alignment work. The automatic screen flipping is incredibly convenient when measuring in different orientations, especially overhead or vertical surfaces. The strong 4-sided magnets allow hands-free operation on metal objects, which improves both safety and efficiency. The backlit display ensures readability in low light conditions, and the quick switch between degrees and slope ratios adds flexibility for different types of projects. For such a compact device, it delivers professional-level performance. Because it relies on magnets for hands-free use, it is less convenient on non-metal surfaces unless you hold it manually. The compact size is great for portability, but users with larger hands might find the buttons slightly small. Also, while the accuracy is excellent for most jobs, extremely high-precision industrial applications may require more specialized equipment. If you are a carpenter, contractor, metalworker, or serious DIY enthusiast, this tool makes a lot of sense. It is perfect for anyone who regularly checks blade angles, installs shelves, aligns frames, or measures slopes. Even hobbyists working on home improvement projects will appreciate the speed and accuracy it brings. That is my take on the Aneng RN01 magnetic digital angle gauge. If you want to add more precision to your toolbox, check the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching Triplezon. If this review helped you out, hit like, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. I will see you in the next one.